Hi guys, welcome back to the Coding Corner. I'm Yash Rajapadhyay, and in this video we're going to learn about MAC addresses. So what is a MAC address? MAC address is also called as Media Access Control Address. It is also known as physical address. So it's the address linked to all the physical networking devices that we use in a network. And it's basically used by switches to communicate to one another over a network. So how do you look up your own MAC address of your PC? Let's see that. You go to CMD on your Windows computer and type ipconfig/all this time. So when you hit enter, your physical address is displayed. Your physical address is a MAC address basically. So it's 1891.33b0f83a for me. I'll just note it down so that it's clearly visible for you guys. So as you can see, this is my MAC address, and the first three bits of the MAC address is known as identifier bits. Okay, so what it basically does is when you type these three bits on Google, it basically shows the company that your MAC address is related to and the company which provides you with it. Okay, so let's test that out. I'll just open up the browser and type MAC Lookup in Google, which will bring up this page and this link, dnschecker.org. The link will be in the description below. You can just click it and it'll bring you to this website. Okay, so basically you type your identifier part, the first three parts of your MAC address, and hit search, which will bring up the address prefix, which is your identifier, the company related to it, the starting address, the ending address, and the company address. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share for the Mac topic. I hope to see you again in the networking tutorials in the future. Till then, if you have any suggestions, you can leave it down in the comment section below. And if you have any doubts, you can DM us on Instagram and do join a Discord server. Each of the link will be given in the description below. Till then, happy networking.